Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this flaky lazy gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For this lazy gradient, I'm going to be using the Off the Deep End collection. The teal is Wait a Minute. The blue is Crashing Out. The indigo is Made Me Ink. The purple is Don't Be Jelly. The pink is What a Catch. And the red is Big Reef Energy. I did 3 coats of the lazy gradient, and now I'm going to go ahead and do just a little bit of cleanup around the edges with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I thought about doing a lazy gradient as soon as I got this collection, since they are jellies, but since it was still March, I had to try a water marble with them first, but I really couldn't wait to give this a try. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate all the flakies and other sparkles that are going on with this polish. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you want to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.